It's huge. With Luca not being able to go outside into the sun like a normal child and being able to participate in family activities. You know, we needed a space for him that doesn't change. My husband travels, so we try to go wherever he goes when we have the opportunity, and every time we go somewhere new, Luca ends up seizing. So this is a huge opportunity for him to be able to experience all of the things that a normal child would get to experience without the ramifications of the health issues and the seizures and ending up in the ICU because we went, you know, on a weekend trip and the hotel was new.
This is just such an amazing experience for Make-A-Wish Indiana to come here to Walnut Ridge RV to help make little kids' dreams come true. We help about 270 families here in Indiana alone and just bring a little bit of joy and life back into folks' lives.
It's hard. He would stand at the door and look outside. And he would ask why he couldn't go out too. And he would see his sisters playing, you know, sorry. And yeah, go outside, buddy, that's right.
Seeing a kid, young man like him, it's very humbling to see when he comes in and excitement in his face. There's so many times that we take things for granted, and today it put in perspective for me how we take stuff so light and it's a big deal to other people.
Well, we had a great opportunity to get involved with an amazing organization, and so something we believe in at Keystone is being involved with the community. And this was an opportunity provided not only by Make-A-Wish, but by an incredible dealer partner of ours, and so we're just playing a small part in it. And I think it's great that, you know, somebody, especially someone young, who's decided that part of his wish is to enjoy an RV, and that means family, and that means a lot to Keystone. So we were honored to be a part of it.
He has Dravet syndrome, so there's only about 500 kids in the U.S. who have what he has. And it's not, you know, it's epilepsy. All epilepsy is scary, but the prognosis for this is poor. It's not something that you grow up with and can live with, and you're 30 and you have a family. I mean, it's not, you know, we're gonna bury our child. We know that. It's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when. So I would love for people to kind of understand epilepsy is not something that's just a seizure. I mean, it encompasses so much more. You know, like the fear, you hear a thump and you go running because your heart stops because you're afraid that it's your child hitting the floor, or, you know, knowing that changing something in his diet could send him into 3 days worth of seizures, and, you know, going into the sun could land him in the ICU. I mean, this will give him it'll give him the opportunity to be a normal little boy. You know, he'll be able to experience things that he's never really experienced.